Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your Apple Watch is just not connecting with your iPhone. Now, this can actually happen for a few different reasons, but honestly, the main reason why this may be happening is first of all, you want to make sure your iPhone is even compatible with your Apple Watch. So, to do this, what you want to do is you want to make sure the Apple Watch that you own and the software version that is on your specific iPhone, they are compatible. So, meaning if you just recently bought a brand new iPhone, so you just bought an iPhone 13, but you're rocking an Apple Watch that was on a previous version of software, well, you're going to have to go ahead and update your Apple Watch in order for it to work with this specific iPhone. Now, if your iPhone was usually paired up and, just randomly it stopped working, that's one thing. But the first thing, make sure your Apple Watch is, actually on the software version that is supported on your specific iPhone. So if you're on, if you're on iOS 15, you want to make sure you're on WatchOS 8. So you kind of have to work from there. Now, let's say for some reason your watch is usually connected, but for some reason it's not working now. Well, another thing I recommend doing on your watch is to actually swipe up from the bottom. So swipe up from the bottom here, you'll come into this panel, and you want to make sure you're not in airplane mode. So right here, here's airplane mode, and if you enable airplane mode, you will not be able to go ahead and actually detect your Apple Watch on your iPhone. It's a good feature, but honestly, sometimes it can be triggered. So you want to make sure this is not on, and also the do not disturb toggle. Sometimes if you toggle on do not disturb, it may look like your Apple Watch is fully connected, but you're not going to be getting any notifications or anything like that either. So that's another thing I'd recommend doing, making sure you're not at do not disturb mode. And those are pretty much the main things to do. Now, for some reason that's still not working, if you're able to go ahead and actually turn on your Apple Watch, what I recommend doing is updating your watch. So go into your settings of your Apple Watch, go to the software update panel, go ahead and update your Apple Watch there. Another thing you can do on your iPhone is to go and update your iPhone here. So go into settings, general, software update, update your iPhone here. That may end up fixing it too. If it's still not working, you may want to go ahead and repair your Apple Watch to your iPhone, and that may end up working there. So that kind of covers it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.